Hey, social media family, welcome back to another grocery haul. This is part two from the part one that we just released. I finished all of my grocery shopping for the month now. Disclaimer, my phone is intentionally turned on ringer. Y'all know I don't like that, but I have it on just in case I do get a call and I'm not done with this video. So forgive me for that. Let's get into the grocery haul. I have a built-in air fryer, so I was looking for organic, but they didn't have it. Like I wanted like some little side snacks. I'm not no bougie type of healthy person. Like it be like this sometimes. So I got some sausage, pepperoni. I'm starting to like more of the frozen fruit because the regular fruit is starting to look more uglier, more blemished, and you'll cut into it, you'll get home and it's bad. So lately I've been going for frozen, which people did say that frozen fruit is better because they freeze it when it's soon as it's done. So when it get frozen, they actually lock in those benefits. This is going to be a great bag. It has some blueberries, wild blueberries, which is great. Wild blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. So I love the frozen fruit now. I got some Ezekiel bread because the regular bread that I be eating do be breaking me out, break my skin out. Just too much yeast and all of that stuff. So I got some Ezekiel bread. I got my Saratoga still water. I did go back and get my garlic and onion powder. Cloves. I use cloves for like a clove tea. I also use them to chew. I use them as a natural mouthwash. So I would just chew them up until they're all done being spicy, spit it out. So this is my mouthwash and I use that for tea. They had a good sale in Walmart. Some sweet and smoky panko breadcrumbs. I do have those chicken gizzards, so I wanted to try that. They had this for $1.50. I mean, the store has been having some sales. So a little steak. I buy these at Dollar Tree. These are really good, like a little appetizer. This is on sale. Pancake mix. My organic milk, like when I am going through, sometimes in life, like if it's a struggle or like when I was just homeless, I really didn't have too much control over what I could eat or what I could buy, which is grateful to eat. Now that I'm able to do what I want to do, this is more of what I like. I don't really like, I'm gonna say really, I don't like cow's milk. I like more organic milk, my goat milk, my vitamin D milk. So I got that. These are the sausages I was telling y'all about, where they're more natural, more 100% real ingredients, and they taste so fresh. So they have these ones. Let me show you the other one. Okay, so these are like the new sausages. They are $4, and I know somebody be like, man, I'm gonna spend $4 on 4 sausages. But hey, that's somebody else. That's not me. I like them because they're, no extra additives. So if you see these at Kroger, or if you see these at Walmart, grab them because they are delicious. I got me some okra, for skincare, moisture throughout the joints. These are some very beautiful passion fruit. I needed some fruit, y'all. I really needed some fruit. My body been craving fruit. Got 2 passion fruit. I got 7 little baby plums here. I'm about to boom these. They're so pretty. I like my fruit to be firm, like, you know, depending on what it is, but I like mine to be firm. So I got some plums there. This was a deal I could not resist. 2 organic virgin coconut oils for $20. Man, I had to grab this. I use so much oil. I use coconut oils for skincare. I use this to fry with. So one of these are going to probably, I know I'm going to use one of these to just cook with. The other one is going to be a backup for skincare because I have the extra virgin olive oil that I use for skincare also. So this just a good little stock right here. That way next month, you know what I'm saying, you should still be straight. Or me, I still might just buy some. The girl loves a stock. I love a good stock because I use a lot of stuff. Hair, skin, nails, moisturizer, cooking, all of the things. That's what that's for. I don't too much cook with my olive oil. When I get olive oil, it's for skincare. This one won't be, it's strictly skincare. So I remember telling y'all one day in like a hygiene video, some girls can use like the Charmin and different things like that, and some of us that stuff break us out. I know that sounds crazy, but I can only use cheap tissue, like no cap. I can only use cheap tissue or that expensive stuff. Throw me off yeast infection, BV, and some more stuff. This 94 cents from Walmart, it is cheap, so give some baby wipes, clean it up if you need to. But I got a couple of things of tissue. Man, there's been some good sales all week because these was only $2.64. Some beautiful kiwi. Like I said, when I shop, I make sure they're firm, beautiful. Got 2 packs of those beautiful kiwi. I have 2 beautiful pineapples. I'm about to smash. I just want some fruit. I just want some fruit. And then today I went to one of my resource places. They didn't have too much of nothing that I wanted. So I told them no thank you and everything else. So I did get some chips and big bag of fries. Big bag. Big bag. Where are my French fry baggies at? Where they at? I'm gonna make a, y'all know we're gonna do something funny to that sound, but yeah, so this is our grocery haul for now, y'all. Let me get off here. I have a couple of things to do today. They said it's gonna be a thunderstorm, so I'm probably just gonna take me a couple of, for the road, probably take me a couple of plums, a water, of course, and that's probably gonna be it. So thank you again for watching part 2 of our grocery haul. Be sure to watch the first one, like, comment, and subscribe. You can always comment on these videos about, is this something that you like, something that you will use, some you wouldn't use, you know, any other healthy alternatives, or just let me know what y'all use and want to try down below in the comments. I know that this bread is so good. That's a good bread, and for me not eating a lot of bread, it'll last. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up and get ready to enjoy the rest of my day. I love you. God bless you. And I will talk to you in the next food haul. Mwah.